This workshop is presented by the Rexburg Free Clinic Public Health Department, discussing mental health among Rexburg students. A few facts and statistics about Rexburg. The city of Rexburg is 10 square miles. The estimated population of this year, 2021, was 30,868 people. The median age is 23.2 years old. The racial composition is 91.17% white, with the next largest demographic being 2 or more races at 3.28%. The BYU-I student body consisted of 14,500 students in spring semester 2021, which is estimated to be about 47% of the total population of Rexburg. Madison Memorial Hospital, which is the local hospital in Rexburg, receives an average of 400 mental health-related visits annually. About 50% of those patients that come in for a mental health visit are 18 years old or younger. In October 2019, the Rexburg Police Department added some additional statistics, stating that 13 people were reported as suicidal or in need of mental help, and 7 of those were transported to a local mental health facility. The state of Idaho was also ranked as the 5th highest state for death by suicide in 2019. So as you can see, we're dealing with a small area, a small population, of which many are very young, and of which mental health is a large factor of their lives. These are some national mental health statistics. So, more than 50% of people will be diagnosed with a mental illness or disorder at some point in their lifetime. 1 in 5 Americans will experience a mental illness in a given year. 1 in 5 children, either currently or at some point during their life, have had a serious debilitating mental illness. And that one really strikes me because it's speaking about children directly there. So we can see again that mental health is something that does affect even the youth of our population. And then 1 in 25 Americans lives with a serious mental illness, such as schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, or major depression. And this information comes directly from the CDC. Also from the CDC, we have some percentages and total data statistics. So 11.2% of adults 18 years or older have regular feelings of worry, nervousness, or anxiety. 4.7% of adults aged 18 or older have regular feelings of depression. 47,511 suicide deaths was the latest recorded number from the CDC, and there are 14.5 suicide deaths per 100,000 population. Although that number may sound small, this is still a serious issue that we need to be addressing. So some factors that can contribute to mental illness may be early adverse life experiences such as trauma or a history of abuse, for example, child abuse, sexual assault, witnessing violence, experiences related to other ongoing or chronic medical conditions such as cancer, diabetes, a pain management disorder, biological factors or chemical imbalances in the brain, use of alcohol or drugs, having feelings of loneliness or isolation. And this information comes from the BYU-I University here in town, again estimating that their student population was 14,500 for spring 2021 semester. The campus-based student body consists of 10,342 male students and 10,800 female students. And the total number of married students is 4,970, which is about 24% of the total campus-based student population. So with that, an organization that is stepping up to the plate to help our local community manage their mental health better is the Rexburg Free Clinic. So the Rexburg Free Clinic is a nonprofit medical organization that sees patients completely for free. It was founded in May 2019, and their slogan is that neighbors should be helping neighbors. So they always say, we're neighbors helping neighbors, and we founded the clinic based on that belief. They provide preventative, sick, and mental health services. All of their providers are volunteers and are licensed in the state of Idaho. Many are board certified, and all patients are accepted. They do not require any proof of lack of income or insurance or anything that way in order to schedule with them. The Rexburg Free Clinic would like the public to be aware that beginning next month, January 2022, the clinic will expand their mental health services to include counseling. And this is in addition to their already offered mental health medication management treatments. So these are the goals that they have released for next year. They want to give all BYU-I students access to free mental health treatment and counseling. And they want to prioritize any patient over 18 years old that has a personal or familiar history of mental illness by offering appointment availability within 2 days of calling to schedule. And in addition to this, they will be holding quarterly community education classes for free on topics like mental illness and mental wellness to help educate the public on what they themselves can be doing, what they can do to help others with their mental health, because education is a huge part in making sure that we are aware of our mental health needs and how we can address those and meet those. So thanks for your participation in this workshop. If you'd like to learn more, you can visit the following sites, the CDC and also the Rexburg Free Clinic, to learn more about their great work. Thank you.